Okay, 1 second. I'm going to give it one more shot. Okay, so yeah. Hi everybody, welcome. We are going to learn a lot of things today. Okay, if you have any questions, I'll revise it in the end and then you can ask me questions. Is that okay? Thumbs dance. Your thumbs have to dance. Even your parents' thumbs have to come into the screen and dance. Okay, good job. Okay. So, first thing we are going to do is some fun exercises. Okay. Do you know in this region in your chest, there is a place which is called the thymus. Okay. And this place is very special because what happens here? The soldier cells of your body are made here and it goes and protects your whole body from any diseases and any bacteria. Okay. So, what do? You have to wake up the soldiers. Okay. Make a fist with your right hand. Only one hand fist. And knock. Knock, knock, knock. Gently keep knocking. Tuck, 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 tuck. Keep doing. Now, when you do this, you have to make the ah sound. Okay. Do it. Ah. Very good. Okay. Ah has to be nice and loud. Breathe in. Keep knocking. Very good. Again, let's wake up the soldier. Don't hit so hard. Huh? Soldiers will fly out of your mouth. Softly you have to hit. Okay? Okay, breathe in. Very good. The thymus is activated. Take your palm like this and do a little massage. Soft massage. Soldiers, wake up. Now these soldier cells, they go to various parts of your body and they do meetings of how to protect your body. Okay, we'll exercise all those parts. Okay, where all do they go? First they go to the ears, so do some ear cycling. Around the ears the soldiers meet. They are called the lymphocytes. Okay, done. Pull your ear out. Become like Ganesha. Upward, downward. You have to remember all this, huh? Next, you know where they meet? Near your neck. The soldiers are meeting at the neck. So let's make circles with your neck. Big circles. 3 in the clockwise direction. Very good. And now 3 in the opposite direction. Very good. Now, the next place where these lymphocytes meet are in the armpit. Sometimes our armpits are stinky, but they meet there. It's a very important place, okay, to protect your body. So, you know what we're going to do? We're going to do the chicken pump, okay? So, become a chicken, chicken. Okay, now what you have to do, watch, okay? You have to breathe in, chicken pump, hold your breath, don't breathe, hold. Pump, 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 pump. Lift your shoulders, pump, pump. And breathe out. Breathe in. Lift your shoulders and pump. Don't breathe. Hold. Let's see if you can pump and breathe out. Very good. Breathe in. Spine straight. Pump. This is very powerful, okay? It looks funny, but it is very, very good for your lungs. And breathe out. Only 3 times, okay? Or your hands will fall. Right? Now, next, you have to do the elbow cradle. Hold your elbows like this. Imagine you have a small baby in your arms who's wearing a diaper and doing susu potty. Come on, cradle the baby. Cradle. Why? See, when you cradle like this, no, your stomach is moving, right? Lift your baby up in the air. Smile at your baby. Oh. Take it all up. Because the soldier cells meet in your tummy also. So you're exercising your tummy. Very good. And finally, you know where they meet? In your groin. I'll show you where the groin is. Groin is, where the legs meet, this region, okay? So what you have to do, join your feet like this, like a butterfly, okay? And hold your feet and flap, 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 keep flapping like a butterfly. You're a super fast butterfly, so do it a little fast. Very good, very good. Faster, faster, faster. And relax. Okay, quick quiz. You have to point where the soldier cells are generated. Point. Where? Where are they generated? Generated. No. Here. Tejaswini, correct. Here. Now, where do they first meet? Quickly. Ears. Next, where do they meet? Point. Next, where? Neck. Yeah. Third point. Stinky. Then, where else? Why did we do cradle? Which part moves when you cradle? Are Swati, no re. Tummy, Tejas, very good. Yeah, and then finally they meet in the groin. Okay, so these exercises you have to do daily so that your immunity is strong and no disease can come. Okay, COVID and all will run away far. Okay, now next. Now your body is ready and we are going to learn some types of breathing. You know why? Because unfortunately, so many people have COVID. Yes or no? Yeah. And COVID, this virus goes and attacks our lungs. Our lungs are here. Touch your chest. How many lung pieces do you have? Any guesses? Sachita, correct. 2 pieces. One on the right, one on the left. When you open a lung, a human being's lung like yours and mine, you know how big it becomes? How many of you play badminton? Show your hand. Oh, Tanvi, Avni, yesterday they attended. Tejas. Okay. How many of you play tennis? Anybody plays tennis? But you have seen a tennis court? Yes? Or a badminton court? Yeah? Our lungs, when you spread it out, it is the size of a tennis court. It's so big. Okay? It's all rolled up and inside. So we have to exercise our lungs. Okay? That's why we are going to learn 4 types of breathing. How many types? Okay. First type is called the breath hug. Okay. You're going to hug yourself with your breath. Very, very good to make your lungs big and give them a nice massage. Okay. So how do you breathe? Take your hands apart as if you're going to give a huge hug to somebody. Breathe in, stretch. Breathe in and breathe out and give yourself only a hug. Tight hug. And put your head down like this. And make your body super small. Breathe in. Breathe in from your nose. Breathe out. Very good. You can't hug other people, no? There is COVID. Nicely, we should hug ourselves only. Breathe in. Breathe out. Excellent. Once more. Breathe in. Stretch. Breathe out. Very good. One last time. Breathe in. Hands apart. Breathe out. Very good. Superb. This is called the breath hug. Okay. If you're below 10 years old, you have to do it only 5 times. Okay. If you're above 10 years old, you have to do it 10 times every day. Done? Thumbs up? Agreed? Okay. Second type of breathing. Okay. Second type of breathing is called straw breath. Okay. How many of you have had juice with a straw and made bubbles in the water? And then your parents said, hey, what is this naughtiness? Drink the juice, drink the milk. Come on. Isn't it? But now you have to do the same thing and your parents will be very happy if you do this breath. Okay. Because what it does, it keeps the air in the lungs for longer and makes the lungs strong. How to do this breath? Spine straight. Very good. Now breathe in from your nose slowly. Okay. Now when you breathe out, as if you're blowing into a straw. Make with your mouth as if you're holding a straw, and breathe out from your mouth. Very, very good. Vedant, Vihan, excellent. Breathe in. Ayushman, very good. Now, you know what you should not do? You're not blowing a candle, huh? It's not your birthday today. Okay? You're blowing 1,000,000,000 bubbles in a glass of water. You have to imagine like that. So you have to stretch your breath. Okay? Breathe in. Straw. Keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing. Kanak, very good, very good. Breathe in. Tanish, excellent. Make your mouth smaller, Tanish. Samyukta, very good. Breathe in. Anaya, Yash, very good. Adya, very good. Harini, good. Okay, done. You have to do this 5 times if you're below 10. And if you're above 10, 10 times. Okay, done. Easy. Now next. How many of you know to ride a cycle properly? Raise your hand. You know to ride a cycle. You can balance. You will not fall down 100 times. It's okay if you fall also, na? So what? Okay, you know to ride a cycle. Very good. In a cycle, there are 2 wheels or sometimes 3 wheels if you're riding a tricycle. Yes. In the wheels, you need air, otherwise, it's not going to move. Correct? Yes. And you know how they put air? They put a pump. Isn't it? No? Now, our lungs are like cycle tires. So, this breath is called the cycle tire breath. Okay? Watch me and then we'll do it together. Okay? Ready? This is very, very good to make your lungs strong like a fully filled cycle of a bicycle. Okay? You'll have a lot of energy then. How to do it? See, first you have to breathe in. And you can't breathe in anymore. Your lungs are full. Still, you have to breathe in 3 times extra. And fill your lungs. And then hold. Then breathe out. And you can't breathe out anymore. Still, you have to breathe out 3 times. Empty it fully. Got it? Let's do it together. Breathe in. Very good, Tejas. Breathe in 3 times more. Very good, Nishita. Hold. Breathe out. Your lungs are empty. No, but there's still air. Breathe out more 3 times. Again, breathe in. Very good, Shrish, Aishu. 3 times more. Very good. Hold. Breathe out. Very good, Yash. Breathe out 3 times more. Again, breathe in. Fill the cycle tire. 3 times more. Breathe out. Excellent. Superb. If you are below 10 years old, how many times do you have to do this? Show with your hand. 5 times. If you're above 10 years old, 10 times. Okay, because your lungs have become bigger. When you grow up, your lungs become bigger, no? Like your body. Yes or no? Okay. Now, last type of breathing. This is my favorite. Okay. This is called the bee breath. How many of you are scared of insects? I just saw a cockroach today. I did dance for half an hour. Automatic dance. I get so scared. Oh, Shrish is asking, what if you're 10 years old? Then, if you're 10 years old and 1 day old, then 10 times. Okay. If you're 9 years old and 364 days, then only 5 times. Abhi 12 means what? Now, so bee breath, okay? You're scared of bees, of insects. Anybody scared of honeybees that will come and sting? Yes, right? But this is a very powerful breath we are going to do, okay? We are going to become a bee. Okay. Now, you know what the sound the bee makes? Make the sound with your mouth closed. Very good. Now we are going to do it with an action. When you do this breath, magic happens in your body. But what magic happens, I'll tell you after we do it. Okay? Ready? Yeah. How to do it? Take your index finger, first finger out like this. And in front of your ears, there's a closing now. Everybody has in front of your ears, not inside, in front. Close, open, close, open. Ping, 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 ping. Do that. Huh. Now keep your hands like this. No typing Idika now. Just do the breath. Hands like this. Ting, ting, ting. Keep moving. Huh. Now we'll do this action. We'll breathe in and make the bee humming sound. Like that. Okay? Chalo. First time you keep your eyes open. More 4 times you keep your eyes closed. Okay? After you learn. Sit straight, spine straight. Excellent. Ready? Keep your finger over your. Move it. Breathe in. Relax. Eyes closed. Breathe in. Get ready again. Keep moving your hands. Relax. Breathe in. Relax. 2 more times, do yourself. Okay? Keep your eyes closed. If Varsha Didi will correct you in case you're doing something wrong. Okay? Do yourself. Very good, everybody. Continue. Advika, come on, do it. Relax. Palms on your lap. Keep your eyes closed for a few seconds. Keep a big smile on your face. Show all your teeth and breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly open your eyes with a big smile. If you have brushed in the morning, show me all your teeth. Smile. Yes, some people have not brushed only. Good job. Very good. How many of you are feeling so relaxed? Isn't it? So calm. Wow. Okay, now I'll tell you the magic about this breath. There are actually 2 things it does, magical things. Okay. First thing, it makes your concentration so good. If you study something, you'll remember it for 100 years. You don't have to keep reading it again and again and again and again. Okay. Second thing is the most magical thing. You know what happens in COVID? The virus is there, no? Mostly it enters from our nose. Okay. But our nose has something magical. The nose makes something called NO. What does it make? NO, no. Okay. No means nitric oxide. No means yes, Tanish. It makes something called nitric oxide. Okay. That's just a full form. Like Nishita Patil, short form is NP. Arav Joshi is AJ. Tejashwini Shivakumari TS. No? Like that NO means nitric oxide. This is made in our nose and in our face here and all. Okay. And you know what that does? That traps the virus and doesn't let it go inside our lungs. Okay. Now, when you do this B pranayam, which is also called Brahmari pranayam, no is made more in your nose, extra. And when it is made, you become so strong. And then that virus, if it comes also, it will go away from your nose only. It will not enter your body, your lungs. Are you getting this? You can protect your lungs by doing, okay? You know, in foreign countries, in India, there is vaccination, right? Yes? In foreign countries, they have now made a spray. It's called the no spray. And they put no in the nose like that so that COVID doesn't come as an extra precaution. So we can just do like this and create our own no in the meanwhile. Good idea? Yes? Yeah? So make no in your nose every day, okay? Protect yourself from the virus, okay? Promise? Your lungs are precious now. Don't you love your lungs? Give them a nice massage. Say, oh, I love you, lungs. Thank you for helping me breathe. Huh. Is it for body spray? No, no, no. That is not body. It's a medicine. You cannot put that pus in the body. That's a nose medicine, nasal spray. Okay. So now, quick revision. What was the first pranayam? Who remembers? Action. Neha, that is exercise. Pranayam, breathing. Kanak, breath hug. Stretch. Hug. Breathe in, breathe out. How many times? 5 times. If you're chotu. If you're uncle auntie, then how many times? 10 times. Very good. Second breath. What do you do second breath? What is it? What is it? What is it? Forgot? Hoi. Tell. Straw breath. Okay? Straw breath. How many times? 5 times if you're below 10. 10 times if you're above 10. Okay? Very good. Third breath. Third breath is what? Cycle pump. Breathe in, cycle tire. Very good. And 3 more times. Breathe out 3 more times. Breathe in 3 more times. Out 3 more times. 5 times or 10 times, depending on your age. Last breath, whatever is your age, even if you're 130 years old, you only do it 5 times. Okay? Only 5 times. Okay? Not 10 times. Yeah, do this and got it? Understood? There's only one rule. You cannot do all these breaths after eating lunch or dinner. Okay, your stomach should be little empty. If you have it a fruit or if you had some snack or milk, no problem, you can do. But not immediately after dinner, okay, or lunch. Why? Because your stomach is so full, so then the lung doesn't have place to expand, contract. You will not be able to do only. You'll be like, can't breathe, can't breathe. Okay? Yes? Now, 3 more things you have to do at home. Will you do what? Yes, it's very fun. Okay, good. First thing, you have to do steam inhalation. Okay, your parents can keep water to boil, and in that water, you have to put one of these 2 secret things. One is mint leaves, few mint leaves, or ajwain or carom seeds. Ajwain is called carom seeds in English. Ajwain, you know, the tiny like jeera. Okay, your parents will know. Put little bit of ajwain or mint leaves. Can your parents be visible, please? I want to see the parents because parents are required for this. Telling them is only half useful. Huh. Okay, mint leaves or carom seeds. And then you have to inhale. Don't put anything else. Okay. Second thing, before you step out, even if you're going just outside your door, or if you're just going in the building to meet someone, or if you're just going to meet 2 friends, or if somebody is coming to your house, okay, what you have to do, you have to take 1 drop of coconut oil or sesame oil, till oil, or ghee, anyone, whatever you have. And you have to massage your nose little bit here like this in the entrance, both nostrils, not only one. Poor thing, other one will cry then. So put on both like this. Okay, you don't have to stick your hand in, just in the entrance little bit. Yeah, got it? Which oil? Sesame oil, til oil, or coconut oil, or ghee. Ayurveda says if you do that, what will happen? If there are any germs and viruses which are airborne, which are roaming in the air, they get trapped here and they don't enter only your full nasal passage. They don't enter only your body. Got it? Easy? If you're above 10 and your parents are not around, will you explain to them properly? Yes? Anyway, I'll put it in the WhatsApp group, okay? All these exercises. If you're not, your nose will suffer. No, no, no. Right now they are suffering. They'll tell you, thank you, Tanish. Don't worry. Okay. Huh. Third thing. Parents, are you here? Thumbs up if you're here. Huh. Third thing, very, very important. You have to give your child half tablet of Kabasur Kudinir. Okay, Kabasur Kudinir is a Ayurveda plus Siddha herb which has a secret ingredient called Guduchi, which is so good to fight against COVID virus. There's a lot of research being done. In fact, I live in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, the government gives it freely to people. It's very, very powerful. Okay, but adults can have one tablet. Children can only have half tablet in a day. It's very strong. Okay, if you're having any other medicine, no problem, continue that. This can just be an addition. Okay, how to buy it, where to buy it, I'll send you a link. Okay, Amazon link, you can order it. It will come in few days. I also ordered it today. I'll send everything. Now, Kabasur Kudini normally comes in powder form, but it is so bitter. Oh God. So that's why tablet is easy. Okay? Easy? Understood? Now we are going to do something very special. We are going to take a trip around our body. Okay, we are going to travel around our body because our body is protecting, no? It's fighting all diseases. Close your eyes, sit straight. Let's do a nice journey. Close your eyes, sit straight. Small trip around the body. Okay, eyes are closed. Parents also have to do this. Now keeping your eyes closed and body immobile without moving your body, take your attention to your right toes. Take your attention to your right knee. And the whole right leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left toes. Left knee. Entire left leg. Become aware of your left leg and breathe in and out. Eyes are closed. Mentally feel thankful that you have two legs. Take your attention to your stomach. When you breathe in, your stomach comes out like a balloon. When you breathe out, the stomach goes in. Breathe in again, fill your stomach. Breathe out, deflate the balloon. Become aware of your chest. Now take your attention to your right hand and fingers. Left hand and fingers. Thank God you have two hands. You're so lucky. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take your attention to your neck. your eyes, your mouth, ears. Take your attention to your head and the hair on your head. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, join your hands in Namaste in front of your chest. I will say one line. Just repeat after me. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Think of all your family members, brothers, sister, cousins, parents, grandparents, friends, your school friends, building friends, the teachers. So many people all over India. Full planet. All the people in various parts of the whole country and the world. Let's bless them with this prayer again. Breathe in. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. If you have blessed everybody with a big smile, you may open your eyes. Wow. Did it feel good to bless other people? You never know, no? If somebody is sick, you want to bless them or no? Yes? Whether it's your friends, whether they are known to you or unknown to you, you want everyone to feel healthy, right? Or only you should be healthy? Only your mommy, daddy should be healthy. No, right? Everybody's parents, best friends, sisters, brothers should be healthy, correct? Yes or no? Very, very nice. So every night, now see, there's such a big pandemic, no? Everybody needs blessings. So every night before sleeping, okay? See, in the day, you have to do these 4 pranayams and these simple exercises. Then what happens? You get energy, okay? This energy, with this energy, you have to bless everybody in the night, okay? How do you bless? Loka, samasta, sukhino bhavantu. Yeah? These 3 times you have to chant. Will you do that? I'll send it in the WhatsApp, the mantra, if you forgot already.
Yeah, if they are not on WhatsApp, they can send their numbers on the chat. I'll add them to the group.
Yes. Wow. Kaina saying she feels relaxed. How many of you are feeling so relaxed? Raise your hand. Wow. All of you. Very, very nice. Huh? So we'll do a revision of everything on WhatsApp. I'll send you a nice list. So you have to do all this, okay? Every day. Now, parents, are you here? Okay, show your face now. Don't be invisible. Show your face. Come to the screen. Sit next to your child or sit on your child. Okay, very good. You know, there are two things we can do right now in the present scenario. There is a pandemic, and in India, it's horrible. You know that, right? 2 minutes also, if you see news, you know. Yes? Now, one thing is you can take care of yourself. And the most important thing is breath work. Okay, research says that the amount of toxins released from our breathing is 95%. Yeah, we take 20,000 times we breathe in a day. Yeah, so our breath can heal us. So you have to ensure that your child does his breath work, and we have made it really fun for them, isn't it? So ensure they do it. It'll take only 5 to 7 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Okay, but there is more. These are just the introduction breath work. There is something more that they can learn, but that will take few days. They'll have to spend at least 3 days. Okay, so I happen to be an children's special pranayam yoga instructor with the Art of Living. So if any of your children are between the age of 8 to 12, they are allowed to learn that particular pranayam or Sudarshan Kriya breath work with me, which is a little more advanced than what we did here. But I'll need time with them, 3 days online. And it is so fun. We have so much fun. We go mad. Okay, it's full of games, and even the yoga is fun. So if you want to learn that, I'll anyway send the link in the WhatsApp group. Yeah, if you're 8, you should do it. Yeah, so I'll send you the link. Okay, it's some 1,000 rupees for 3 days. That's all. 2 hours per day. That also is donation. Doesn't come to me. Okay, it goes to Art of Living that donates it here and there for whatever COVID relief. Now, second thing, one thing is you can take care of your body, right, children? But loving your lungs. Second thing is you can pray it, because sometimes you can't help it, right? Yes or no? You don't know what to do. So what, instead of feeling bad, you can bless everybody, and your blessing has lot of power. Okay? So for that, one way to bless is little bit of meditation, little bit of chanting. Any chant you know, do it together in the night, and definitely add Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta means whole planet. Whoever I know, don't know, to everybody I'm sharing the blessing. Good idea? Yeah. But Varsha and I make shlokas also interesting by doing a shlokas made fun workshop. That is our speciality. So we take simple Sanskrit shlokas, which are so amazing to calm the mind, especially in scenarios like this. And we make it super fun with games and activities and Indian mythological stories. Okay. That also I will share, especially because it's summer and kids are a little bit stuck at home. I'll share the details. It's for 4 to 6 year olds and 6 to 12 year olds. If you're interested, you can inquire with us. Now, Varsha will share both our numbers. If you have any doubts about the breath work that was taught today, 4 types of breathing was taught today. They look fun. They are extremely powerful. There is a Ministry of Ayush which has a COVID protocol using Ayurveda and yoga. These are all part of that. These are not some random breathing techniques. Are you understanding what I'm saying? These are extremely powerful. They may be called breath hug and all cute names. The Brahmari Pranayam, there is research done by PhD professors on this. So what your kids are doing is very important. Okay. If you have any questions, you can call us. These are our numbers. If you are not in the WhatsApp group, put your number. We'll add you to the group. Okay. Anybody of you want to call your friends for a session like this? Tomorrow we have another thing. If you want, do you want to do one more on Saturday? Do you want to invite your friends for something like this, half an hour? Okay. Okay. Then I'll tell you if it's happening. I'll put it in the group. If we schedule something, let more kids learn this, so they'll also be benefited in their house. Yeah, all your 10 million friends. Yeah, you can also join them. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I'm going to write down the exercises starting with the thymus tap. This is called the thymus tap. Okay, and then you do all the ears and all that, and then you do the 4 types of breath. Okay. Now I'm going to allow you to share or ask any questions for 5 minutes, and we are here. Now you can even unmute and share how you like the session, what you like the most. Come on.
Good. I like the honey. These
Which one did you like?
I don't do it while you're eating breakfast, lunch, and snacks.
Okay.
And dinner. I only do this in the morning before having breakfast.
Okay, do it in the morning before breakfast. Next, okay, listen, if you want to talk, wait, we'll make a rule. We'll make a rule. If you want to talk, raise your hand. We'll take your name. You can share one by one. Idika, Tanishi, what do you want to say? One by one, okay? Yes.
Can you tell my mother about the tablet thing?
Yes, tablet, I'll send a link, Tanishi and Idika, okay? So the mother can just click the link and buy the tablet. Only half a tablet for children, okay? Children below 5 should not have the tablet. Next. Who wants? Drisha wants to say something. Yes, Drisha. Wait. Are you Drisha? Drisha, you can talk. Drisha, talk. You're not mute. You're on mute. I can't hear you. Drisha, can't hear you. Can't hear you. Unmute.
Okay.
Yes.
My brother's name is Vedant and he's 3 years old and he is really afraid of bees. And next, I'm going to eat fruits after this class.
Very good, Drisha. That's a good idea. If he's scared of bees, once he becomes 5, he can also do the bee pranayam. Okay. Next, somebody has Adya wanted to say something. Adya and then Tina Purohit. Adya, yes, Adya and Hiran. Yeah.
I actually wanted to say something.
Tell.
It's pranic healing and she blesses the earth.
Wow, now you also know how to do that. Very good. You should join her in this, okay?
Mommy do all this every day.
Already you do every day. Okay, very nice. Next. Wait. Who was next? Tina Purohit. Yes. Yes.
I like the breath hug.
You like the breath hug. Yeah, it's so fun. Very nice. Breathe in, stretch, breathe out, hug. Very good. Thank you. Next, Hariyaksh is waiting patiently. Yes, Hariyaksh.
Ma'am, I love all of the.
Everything you liked?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Who else wants to ask anything or share anything? Wait. Who else? Wait. Wait. Yeah. Yes, Tina's son. Yes.
Ma'am, I also want to say something.
Oh, you like this? Did you like this? Okay. You like the Brahmari? Yes. 1 second. Yes, Deepa V. Yes. After that, Kaina. Yes, Deepa.
Ma'am, Auntie, I kind of, didn't you see I was laughing?
Yes, all of you were giggling. What did you like the most?
I like the bee.
Like the bee pranayam, is it Deepa?
B, she's asking.
The bee.
B.
Actually, I don't. I like all of them.
All of them. Okay, like Hariyaksh. Kaina. Yes, Kaina. And then Ayushman. After Kaina, Ayushman, then Advika. We'll come to all of you. Okay, Kaina, yes. What do you want to say? Unmute. Can't hear you, Kaina. You're not unmuted. You're mute. Now tell.
I like the butterfly exercise, and I also like the breathing in and.
Are you have a real straw? Wow, very good. Very good. Ayushman, anybody has any question or any doubts? Yes, Ayushman.
Ma'am, I really like the session.
Thank you so much, Ayushman. Your earphones are looking like you're going to go in a rocket to space. Advika. Yes, Advika.
I like the chicken one, the straw one, and the breathe hug.
Okay. But see, whatever you liked or didn't like, you have to do everything. Is that okay? Vedant and Vihan, you did everything so nicely. Do you want to say something, Vedant?
Ma'am, we will forget.
You'll forget?
Ma'am.
No, I'll send you in WhatsApp. If you forget, you can see that message, and you can do.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, I want to tell you one question.
Okay, ask a question. Yes, please ask.
What?
Trisha. Hmm.
We have to put when we go out the ghee. Yeah, we come.
Before you go out, Trisha, not after you come. Before you go out, you have to put. ठीक है? जाने के पहले डालना है. Very good question. हाँ. Now Saket Ram. Yes, Saket Ram, ask your question.
Ma'am, what time we should do this?
Anytime, Saket Ram. Only have to be little empty stomach. So you can't do it immediately after lunch or dinner. After half an hour of lunch, dinner, you can do, no problem. Now Zara wants to say something. Yes, Zara.
Ma'am?
The session is over, parents. So if you want to leave, you can leave. If only children want to ask anything, they can be here. Yes, Zara. Yes, you can leave. Session is over. We'll share all details in the WhatsApp group.
Bye.
Bye.
I like cycle tiring.
You like the